And the best part, what I would like to say, is it's completely free of cost. I just want to highlight the usage, the concept, how you can interact with the AI. In the terminal also you can clearly see how the process is going on, right from the prompt we provide and the reply we are getting from the models. In this vlog, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get started with AI in your Flutter applications. Yes, in our previous videos as well, we have seen few AI related tutorials, but this one will be very much interesting and most useful for you if you are looking to introduce AI into your Flutter applications. And again, this tutorial I will be making it very easy, such that even the beginners who are watching this video for the first time on our channel are also able to implement this and try using AI on your Flutter application. And the best part, what I would like to say, is it's completely free of cost. Yes, the AI which we are using now in this video is completely free of cost and anyone can implement this. So let's get started. So the first screen what you are seeing is again the basic skeleton for every Flutter application. So I don't think there is anything I need to explain over here. So we have just added the theme data and also we enabled the material 3 design here. So apart from that, there is nothing much special that we need to cover especially. So the next thing is chat screen. And again, we are making use of 2 dependencies here. Let me try to show you before explaining the chat screen. And this one is the Flutter AI Toolkit, where you will be getting the components pre-built when you are designing an application which is based on AI. So the first question whenever you are trying to build an AI based app is you need to have a chat window. Or again, this is the basic application, so we are using the chat window, but sometimes we don't want to even have a UI as well, so we need to process the things and provide the output to the user, and that is again a very specific case. I am trying to show you the basic thing here. We will be having a chat window here where the user will be entering the prompt and will be getting the reply from the LLM model here. And the second one is llama dart, and as I have said you earlier, we will be making use of free AI, right? So we are going to use the local AI models and try implementing this particular video. And again, there is a scope for you to switch from the local AI model to the production level AI models as well, like ChatGPT, third-party AI providers, and you can implement their API calls as well. So I'll be clearly showing you how you can switch. Just let me know in the comment section below. And the main question is why we are implementing llama here. So whenever you try to implement llama here, you will be having a secure environment on your server. You can configure the llama models and try to work within your environment, so the data won't be going out of your scope. So everything will be processed internally and will be provided to your users. So that is what the main concept which I am trying to show in this part of the video. And again, as I have said, you can switch to the production level AI models as well. Let me try to show you here the chat screen. We made use of the chat view which we are getting from the Flutter AI Toolkit here. So this is from the dependency which we have added. And so here, this is the local AI provider which constitutes the main aspect of this particular video here. So here we are utilizing this particular class which is extending a change notifier, because whenever there is a change, like we will get the stream of messages, right, then they need to be updated to our UI. And again, we are implementing the LLM provider here. So this particular LLM provider is coming as a part of the dependency which we have added. And we have configured llama here, and you can see there are 2 base URLs. One is for Android and the other one is for iOS. And let me try to run this particular application on the iOS simulator and show you how this works. And also here you can see we have created an empty array so that we can store the chat history here. And again, this consists of both user provided prompt and also the response coming from the LLM model. And we have added override methods which we are getting from these implementations. And here you can see we are trying to add the value to the list, like the empty array we have specified, right, history. We are going to add the information to this array and notify the listeners so that it gets updated on the UI. And here we are trying to generate the stream here, and I have also added the log messages here so that you can find out if you are getting any errors, right? You can find out at which particular step you are getting the error. And also the complete code I will be providing the link in the description section. You can get the code from the blog. And here we are trying to create the stream, and if you see here we have specified the model amplifyabhi. Let me try to show you. Let me try to open the llama interface here, and this amplifyabhi is the wrapper model which we have created in this part of the video. And also here, if you are watching this video for the first time and not sure what is llama, so this is the beginner guide where you can get started with llama and also have your own local AI models. And not only the local AI models, in this playlist we have covered the AI related tutorials using the production level AI models as well. So I suggest you to watch these videos and stay subscribed to this AI related channel where we will be posting the AI related content. And here you can see this is the model amplifyabhi we have created, and now we are using this as a part of this tutorial. And here the messages now, so we are passing the prompt here into this chat message such that the model will understand the prompt and try providing the reply. And again we are trying to pass through the stream of message here, and we are trying to provide the UI on the screen. Now the simulator is up and running. Let me try to run this and show you the output. So in the terminal also you can clearly see how the process is going on, right from the prompt we provide and the reply we are getting from the models. And the main important thing what I want to highlight here is understand the concept how we are utilizing the AI. So either it is a local AI or the cloud based LLM model, the process would be same here. And not every time you will be displaying some chat window and allow the user to interact with the AI. Sometimes you need to use the AI for your application internal services as well. So even for those you can utilize these kind of AI implementations. Just let me know in the comment section below if you are targeting any specific use case using AI, and we will be covering them in the coming tutorials. So here I am going to ask the AI agent a question like how to get started AI implementation in Flutter. And again, I'm not expecting a very perfect answer because we are using a local model here, and this particular model what I have created is having a very less context size. So I just want to highlight the usage, the concept, how you can interact with the AI. Later you can download the high resolution models, and that particular models will give you the perfect output. And also make sure whenever you try to run the local AI models, right, your system should be highly configured such that the models can run easily on your system and provide the proper answer. So here you can see the stream generation has started of the internet, and it took some time because the local model is running on my system and it will utilize the maximum RAM. And let me try to ask the question again, Kotlin or Java. So just I'm trying to ask in between two programming languages. So The code for this video I'll be providing in the description section below. If you are watching this video for the first time and if you found this content interesting, I suggest you to do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content